This is the fun part that everyone looks forward to because the transformation is so dramatic. Ready? Let's go. Here's what you'll need: a 9-inch roller and handle, an extension pole, a pan, a stepladder, and Benjamin Moore Aura. Your roller selection is critical. Using a low-quality roller can produce a poor finish even with a high-quality paint. For normal wall application, you should use a high-quality 3/8-inch nap roller. If you're applying a glossy paint, you'll want to use a 1/4-inch nap roller. Rougher textured walls will require a thicker 1/2-inch to 3/4-inch nap roller. Check out our other video, How to Cut in a Room, before you begin rolling paint. Once you've cut in the room, load the roller by gently rolling it back and forth in the pan until it collects the paint. Paint from the top of the wall down, with the edges overlapping approximately 3 to 5 inches. With each pass, use a light up and down movement. Let the roller and paint do the work. If you use too much pressure, it'll leave heavy lines of paint on the wall and cause drips. The use of an extension pole will allow you to paint ceiling to floor in one single roller pass. Keep your roller loaded with paint, and after you reload it, start from an unpainted area and work into the wet area. We recommend applying 2 coats. Check the paint can for the recommended drying times and wait until the paint is completely dry before you add the second coat. You're all ready to roll. If you have any other projects in mind, we can help. Visit your local Benjamin Moore retailer, go to benjaminmoore.com, or check out our other how-to videos.